Okay, welcome back again. 10th B, Science 1, chapter number 3, Chemical Reactions and Equations. This chapter I have divided into three parts. First part, chemical reaction equation. Equation can be represented by symbol and molecular formula. Uh, uh, what are the rules for writing the equation? After writing the balance equation, what are the which type of the information we can get from the ready equation? So how to write, and when it is written, how to get the information? These two things I have clear in my first part. Now part number 2. In any textbook, chemistry or any standard, whatever the equations are given, chemical equations are given, that basically you can divide into this 4 part only. There are only 4 types. So how we will divide that? I will give you the best of best method, which is not given into the textbook, which is not given into the any digest. And this is a very important question. On any one topic, 101% they will give one question of 2 marks. That is my guarantee. Third part, some pairwise definition. Exothermic, endothermic, slow reaction, fast reaction. Okay, distinguish. Some definition part will remain. So this full-on chapter I have divided into 3 parts. And because of heavy rain, some students are suffering from this water flooding with the people who are living at the ground floor. So they might be busy in their problem. So don't worry, video is ready for you. Why I am not sending full video? Because that full video you have to download and then only you can use it. So from the YouTube directly you can open the video, and from any part of the video you can see. So in between also you can see. No need to download full video, so your data will not be utilized full. So how much you will see, that much only data will be utilized. So it is in your benefit, and it is a permanent. Then whenever you want to, you can see. So this is the best topic. Just concentrate on my idea. I will correlate with the textbook part also, example also, and finally how to write the answer in SSC board for your 2 marks question. Types of the reaction, chemical equation. There are lots. Suppose we will collect 100 equations, chemical equations. Oxygen plus hydrogen gives water. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Iron plus sulfur gives iron oxide. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate. These different. Suppose you collect 100 of the equation. Mainly you can divide into 4 group only. Basic we have seen. No, basic we have seen that full of elements we can divide it into 2 parts: metals, non-metals. Like that, this we can divide into 4 groups. This equation goes in this group, this equation goes in this group. So first type, that is a combination reaction. From the word you can derive what is the combination. Combination. A plus B gives AB. This is positive, this is negative, this is positive, negative combination. When 2 or more element or a compound combine to form a one compound, one thing, that is a combination. 2 or more element, it can be the substance. 2 or more elements can combine to form one substance, one compound. That is a combination reaction. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water, H2. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Fe plus S gives FES. So combination, two or more plus more than two get combined and form only one compound. That is a combination reaction. Decomposition, ulta, full and reverse, plus minus. When compound decompose into its constituent element, water, suppose electrolysis of water, we can separate hydrogen and oxygen. From carbon dioxide we can separate carbon, we can separate oxygen. Iron sulfide, by chemical process we can find sulfur separate. So from calcium carbonate, carbon dioxide, calcium oxide. So opposite, full on opposite of this, two different things. From a compound, separation of its constituent element, that is decomposition. Here combination of two or more elements to form one compound. From a compound to find its constituent element, जो सब्सटेंस में है उसमें से वो अलग अलग कर देना, मीन्स इससे डब उल्टा है. Decomposition, combination to collect, decomposition from the compound to find out the separate. Whatever example this you can write reverse. Hydrogen, oxygen, H2O, water, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon, oxygen, iron sulfide, iron and sulfur, iron and sulfur, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide, carbon dioxide. These both are ulta-pulta of each other, full and opposite of each other. Why I am writing plus and minus? Plus means positive, anions, negative means cations. So compound form from by sharing or by giving and taking of the electron. So basically combination can be possible from positive and negative ion. Displacement, this is most important among all these. So A plus, here already compound BC, plus and minus. Now which is free will be in combined form, which is in combined form become free. But the condition is what? The condition is A should be more reactive than B. This is a metal, one element. This is a metallic compound. In this one metal is there, in this one metal is there. So before reaction, more active metal is free. Here less active metal is in compound. So the definition is more active metal when replace less active metal from the compound or in the compound and form new combination. That is a displacement. एक की जगह दूसरा, one replace another. A plus BC, now AC plus B, which is free become combined, which is in combination becomes free. So more reactive metal replace less reactive metal from the compound, it is known as displacement. These two have internal relation, opposite relation, but there is a relation. Now in these two also there is some relation. This happen in this two time, twice, double time.
That is why it is double decomposition.
Double displacement or double decomposition, you can say.
Decomposition means what?
It is separation. So here also it is separation. A plus B plus C it becomes. Then it is A plus C and B separate. Decomposition. Now this.
Listen carefully.
AB plus CD. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. This plus goes with this minus. So becomes AD. Plus always we have to write first. This positive goes with this negative. So like this replaced by C and this replaced by A. So I have changed this with positive, this negative, with this positive, this negative. Two new substance form. This I want to say one simple example. Take a small beaker. Take copper sulfate, CuSO4. And iron nail, which is rusted. So in copper sulfate solution, just stir for some time or leave it for a longer time. After some time, when you will release, no, so the deep part, which is deep into the solution, you will find copper. So this will separate. So Cu plus FeSO4. So this is a active metal replaced by less active metal and it will be free. No network or this. Wait. Automatically it is disconnected. Now tell me. That's now it is okay. Ducks. Now tell me. Wait, it will improve. Sure. अरे ब्रेक हो गया, स्लो क्या? Wait, I'm trying now see it must be clear. Because anyhow I want to complete this. Okay. So iron nail, copper sulfate solution, when you will stir, so copper will be replaced on iron part. So Cu plus FeSO4. Now take one acid and one base. For this fourth I am giving you example. Hydrochloric acid acid, base. In this is plus, this is minus. In this is plus, this is minus. Here in Borivali or not, very heavy rain is going on. So this plus goes with this minus, so NaCl. This plus goes with this, so HHO, so H2O. Two solution combines with each other and form two new solution. That is why it is not displacement, it is double displacement. Hydrochloric acid HCl, hydrogen positive, chlorine negative. Sodium chloride, sodium positive, hydroxide OH negative. So this positive goes with this negative, NaCl. This positive goes with this, so H2O. So two combined react with each other to form two new compound. From two old compound to new compound. That is a displacement. Double displacement, sorry. So this is ABCD. Now in the exam, they will ask one question, how you will write. You have to obey my method only. Whatever the answer given in the textbook, digest, forget it. If you will write in my sequence, my word, my method, you will get full 2 out of 2 marks. 5 points you have to write. First point they will give. What is the question? For it, from all 4 answers I am giving, because very less time I don't think the network will be stable or not. Write about combination reaction. Write about combination reaction. You will write name, combination reaction, to the red margin. That is your heading. Okay. First you will just write combination reaction. Then you will write definition of combination reaction. When 2 or more elements combine to form one compound, that is a combination reaction. Standard equation, my AB reaction you have to write. A plus B is equal to AB. Now similar to that, you have to think which equation is suitable to here. What I will write? H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Then I will balance. What is the meaning of explanation? What equation you are writing, that you have to write in word, that is the explanation. Now oxygen is 2. Oxygen here I will make 2, but 2 2s are 4, so 2 I will write. This is a balance equation. Here I will write A plus B. Right, plus minus plus, no problem. Heading you will write, its definition you will write, its standard equation you will write, and according to that you will write the equation. Then explanation means what? Whatever you have written in the equation, that you have to write into the word. Simple. When hydrogen gas react, all word, spelling, no symbols, no shortcut. When hydrogen react with oxygen, combine to form water, H2O. Don't write H2, combine to form water. So here your full answer is completed. No one can cut your 1/4 mark even. Type 2. Decomposition reaction. I will write the heading. Decomposition reaction. I will write the definition. From a compound, when constituent element becomes separates, it is a decomposition reaction. I will write ulta. Water gives hydrogen and oxygen. So on electrolysis of water, in one test tube, oxygen will be gathered, and in one test tube, hydrogen will be gathered. So from the water you can separate hydrogen and oxygen. From the carbon dioxide you can separate oxygen and carbon. Same you write in word. Third, third, displacement. Suppose they have asked for displacement, I will write the heading displacement reaction. Then I will write the definition. When more active material replace less active metal from the compound. From where? From the compound. More active metal replace less active material from the compound. That is a displacement. Then standard equation A plus BC is equal to A plus C plus B. Simple example, iron nail when we stir into copper sulfate solution. That is an experiment in your journal also that we will demonstrate personally when we will meet in laboratory. Iron rod or nail into copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate, iron. So iron get combined with the sulfate and copper will be separated. So copper you will find on this. When you will start this, like this. So how much part will develop? It becomes reddish type. Copper color you will find. So it displaces the copper. So iron plus copper sulfate gives copper iron sulfate exchange. That same you have to write into word. Fourth, double displacement reaction. Two compound combine with each other to form two new compound. A, B, C, D. This plus goes with this minus. This plus goes with this minus. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 compound, I am writing positive first. In all compound, you have to write positive first. For example, hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide. So it gives sodium chloride, sodium chloride and water. So this plus goes with this minus, this plus goes with this minus. Standard equation, then example, this is standard equation means ABC type. Example equation means actual. Then that we have to write in word. When hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium chloride and water. Fourth example, why I have selected that particular, because one new topic can be introduced very easily. One process is there, neutralization. One process, one more definition, one more reaction is there. It is this type, but which reaction? Neutralization reaction means what? When acid react with base, it gives salts and water. Salt and water. Definition of neutralization. Definition of neutralization. When acid and base react with each other. So acid will neutralize the property of base and base will neutralize the property of acid. acid neutralize base, base neutralize acid, acid and base neutralize each other to form salt and water. Now salt and water is not an acid, not a base. That is why it is called neutralization. Name neutralization. Definition. When this definition you try. When acid react with base. When acid react with base. Bilal, what happened, bacha? Now it is full. It's full. Any problem? Now, because last 2-3 minutes I want to explain. Okay, now that you send me, I will find out that student. You send me, I will check. I will take the strict action. You don't worry. Now listen. Last topic I want to clear. Name, that is neutralization. Definition. When acid and base react with each other to form salt and water. Okay. Then standard equation you can write acid, base, salt and water. Okay. And this example equation. Acid, which acid? Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Base, which base? NaOH. NaOH. Gives Na acid, hydrochloric acid. Base, sodium chloride, NaOH. Salt produce NaCl, salt which we eat regularly, common salt, NaCl, and water. So acid, hydrochloric acid, base, sodium chloride, basic, sodium hydroxide, salt, NaCl, sodium chloride, and water, H2. So 5 things I have cleared, just 5 things I have cleared. So in these 5 points only you have to write the answer for any out of this. This fifth one is included in this only, but that is a neutralization separate topic. But the type is this. Type is this. In next topic the neutralize. Type is this, but the definition separate. Separate one definition, separate one example. That is why I have explained this example, that you can include in both double displacement also and neutralization also. Okay. So today there is lots of problem with this. See, again and again message is coming. So Dax, you send me all the things